What up, YouTube? This is Marshall Mathers with an unboxing of M&M's Marshall Mathers LP2. As you can see from the cover, this is the regular edited version. Now I'm giving this away. So if you're interested, comment your address, and I'll get to you on that. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna draw. I'm just gonna do a random pick. So without further ado, here's the unboxing. Take a look at the cover right there. Here's M&M's childhood house at 19946 Dresden Street. As you can see, Dresden Street. There's the track list. Can't see real good. It's Bad Guy, Parking Lot Skit, Rhyme or Reason, So Much Better, Survival, Legacy, Asshole, featuring Skylar Grey, Berserk, Rap God, Brainless, Stronger Than I Was, The Monster featuring Rihanna, So Far, Love Game featuring Kendrick Lamar, Headlights featuring Nate Ress, and Evil Twin. And here's a look at the back cover. Just a quick glimpse, and now it's time to get inside. Here's the inside disc. Look at the disc. There's me through the camera. There's a look. It's a cheap phone. Cheap phone. There's that. It's brand new. Hasn't been touched. No scratches on it. Well, put that back in there. Take a look at this booklet. Here we have the front page for Bad Guy, Parking Lot, Rhyme or Reason, So Much Better. Here's a little picture right here that it comes with. On to the next page. This page is for Survival, Legacy, Asshole, Berserk, Rap God, and Brainless. It has a little picture right there. Those Nike Air Maxes, though. Enough of that. Here's a picture of the inside of his house. There's the stairways. No. Guessing this was his bedroom. See, M&M across the cover. Enough of that page. More pictures of another bedroom. There's two right there. MMLP. And then two. Then we have these. Some extra pictures. Picture with M and Rick Rubin. M and Dre. Dre and Rick Rubin. Small list, and then there's a picture of Eminem sitting right there in front of his house. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm giving away this album to one lucky winner. You gotta subscribe, like the video, and comment below. I'm gonna change the address thing and just comment anything, and I'll just choose one lucky winner. And next week I will make a video on the winner. So till next time, M Mathers signing out.